Hello everyone, I am Muhammad Saleh from Yemen and I am a software graduate from Comsat University, Islamabad. Since I'm just done with my degree, I would like to share my experience in Comsats, maybe taking this a chance to help the newcomers. The overall experience in Pakistan was great. Comsats has been a good decision. Teachers are very helpful and facilities are good. But beyond books, my favorite part was the friends. I was lucky enough to get a very good group of friends surrounding me, which made things so much more fun. I was privileged to visit multiple cities and to experience the culture and the food and the tradition firsthand, which opened my eyes to how versatile and how various the culture and the traditions in Pakistan are. Different languages, different way of dressing, a different way of speaking, and different lifestyles in general. In terms of challenges, I would say language was a great obstacle at the start, since I am Arab and I don't mainly speak Urdu, but it was easily overcome because it was easy to learn the language with the interaction with the locals and the friends. Other than that, accommodation is a challenge. Since in Eid and long holidays, students usually travel to their homes and the international students are left behind, which was also a big challenge. But nowadays, Comsat is arranging international hostels for its international students, so I believe this problem will be tackled as well. This is my experience in my 4 years here in Pakistan. I wish you all good luck and best of wishes.